Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and it is time to take another look at the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition after 3 days or so. So how do I like it? Well, I could ramble on and ramble off a bunch of specs. 865 processor, Gorilla Glass 3 on the glass, man. Some people haven't pointed that out, but okay, they cut corners there, right? You guys like to talk about specs. This is Gorilla Glass 3. And I haven't seen too many people mention that, but it should have Gorilla Glass 5 or 6 if they're going to really hammer it home. But nonetheless, Super AMOLED 120 Hz HDR10 plus certified device, 6.5 inches, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, Android 10, 2.5. You know, it's packing everything. 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, plus an SD card. Camera setup 12, 8, 12. Ultra wide, telephoto, 4K 60, everything you want. Speakers are tuned by AKG, and let me fire up a video here so you can hear the speakers and see the screen.
It has 1080p, it has 128 gigs.
Remember, you guys like how I started this video? Hypocrites. I like to have fun with this stuff. So, beautiful display, really good speakers, Bluetooth 5.0. There's a lot going on here, and you got to ask yourself, why didn't they do this sooner? Well, money. They wanted to get money on the more expensive stuff first. You know, my daily driver is their most expensive device, which is the Galaxy Fold 2. You know, so this is a matter of, you know, what you want actually. But this device, how has it been? It's been great. This can't be a very long, drawn-out video because it's a fantastic phone. We can't take anything away from Samsung when making this device. It's wrong to try to downplay that. It would be wrong for me to try to downplay this isn't a good device. And on the record, I've never said this was a bad device. I just feel like there are other offerings out there, and some are going to say, "Oh, Jay, what offering is that?" Well, go watch that video I just played, and then that gives a good explanation of one offering. So I often tell people to rid themselves of thinking of things, flagship. This is no good because it's not a flagship. If we often talk about marketing from the companies, but you guys are falling for the marketing hype of stuff like this because it physically has higher numbers on something. You think it's better, and you're totally right to do that if that's what you think. But real world usage, this phone too can be labeled as overpriced. When you compare it to phones that cost less, offer the same, just because some numbers are different, i.e. 865, 730, 765, you know, hey. Price value, or when something is worth something, that's up to you to determine whether you think something's worth something. Now, this is a 5G device. I typically am on 5G when I leave the house. And you can drop that. You can actually drop your settings down to 2G if you wanted to save battery. But I leave it on Wi-Fi most of the time when I'm at the house, and on 5G I just leave whatever I'm on, because I have internet in my car. That's why I'm saying that. I could switch to the internet in my car if I just really wanted to, but nonetheless the device is good. This phone is a good phone. It's a nice phone. It's obviously worth the price to the person that's holding it. If you're looking for a Samsung device, I still would tell you grab the A51, because that is the same size as this device. Same device, different internals. How about that? The A51 is the same device, different internals. And you can save even more money by going with the A51 if you just have to have a Samsung device. This device is nice though. This is the iPhone 11 for Samsung. All the colors it comes in. Let me tell you, listen to all these colors it comes in. It comes in cloud lavender, cloud mint, cloud navy, pause, cloud white, cloud red, and cloud orange. Now, to me, I think the top three colors are cloud orange, cloud white, and cloud navy. I just think that orange is beautiful. Shout out to Susan in the Telegram group and avid follower and supporter of the channel. She has the cloud orange, and she's the only person I know with the cloud orange, and it is absolutely beautiful. Next will be that cloud white, and then this cloud blue. I mean, even though this isn't cloud, it's dark, but nonetheless, it should be cloud. Oh, actually, my bad. It's cloud navy. Cloud navy. I don't know any clouds this color, but I guess I guess they had to stick with the cloud thing. But nonetheless, it's a good phone. Yes, this is the OnePlus 8T's wallpaper. Just Google it for yourself if you decide to pick this up. But overall, folks, this can't be a long, drawn-out video. I don't need to do too much talking in this video. 5 minutes tops. This is a good phone. It's the same old Samsung experience that you get on any other device. And remember when I said they played us? I kind of feel like if I just wanted experience, then yeah, it's this phone too. These are the same height and everything. It's just two of these. Isn't that weird? It's just two of these. Two of these. That's pretty cool to see these together like this. Yeah. It's just two phones. Shout out to two phones. Pretty much. Obviously, and this has the 120 hertz. Can you tell the difference in the 120 hertz from these? It might look like the fold is more smooth because it has a more canvas to spread across. But they're both set to 120 hertz. Nonetheless, beast mode, folks. I like the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, and I bought it just because I wanted to try it out. That's all. I wanted to put it up against some of the other phones, and the main phone is this device right here. This is the main device I wanted to put it against. And again, I really encourage you to watch that video that I was playing, and I think you'll see some points. I think I made some pretty good points in there. I didn't try to hit the nail on the head for everything. I'm not trying to be right, but I think this is a good option for Samsung people. But I still feel like the A51 is a better option for people if you're looking for the Samsung experience. The A51 5G or the A51 4G LTE version is an even better option because it's even less in price. It's $300 easy, brand new. You got to check these things out, and it comes in that white also. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Real brief and to the point. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, as some people has famously named it. You know who they are. The Fix It Edition. Because they're fixing the things that they should have done the first time around. That's hilarious. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.